Let's make a butterfly. Grab your card and a cardboard tube, a glue stick, a pencil and a pen, and some scissors. Cut the card. And glue the edges and wrap it round the cardboard tube. Now draw a butterfly wing. And cut, cut, cut. Glue the centre of the butterfly and place the cardboard tube in the middle. We love round things. Grab your round circles and stick the round dots on in a lovely pattern. And then put the eyes and smile on. Oh, look at its cute face. We made a butterfly. See you around.